said it was urgent. What's the emergency this time, huh?
I'm dying. I sneezed. Twice.
So you called me in the middle of a meeting. For 2 sneezes.
I'm weak. I'm fading. I might never recover without care. Or cuddles.
Now we're at it again.
Diagnosis. Drama.
Hey, I am delicate, like a flower in winter, a very, very handsome flower.
You're built like a Greek statue, and your skincare costs more than my rent.
Exactly. High maintenance, high value.
You sneezed because you walked around shirtless in the rain.
It was for the aesthetic. Would you deny art its suffering? If I perish, can you please make sure my eulogy rhymes?
Whatever. I'm gonna make you a soup.
Wait, hold my hand. I want to feel something real.
Fine.
I am cured.